Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, in notes, in the browser, whatever you want to actually. Just have the keyboard on the screen like here, and all you have to do is to simply tap on the settings icon in the panel. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the only language we've got added. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, so I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to set, and basically that's all you have to do. So just find it and tap on it, and I will pick my favorite Urdu one. Let me just find it. Here we've got it. Of course, as you can see, you can also tap on this icon in the right upper corner and search for the particular language. So let me tap on the language, and sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to set, and here again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the keyboard types. Sometimes you will be able to pick on the keyboard only one keyboard, or even up to 5 keyboards from which you will be able to choose. I want to use this one, so let me tick this option. So let me mark it and untick this one. Let's tap on done. As you can see, the Urdu language has been applied, so now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically right now we've got only one difference, but the other one will be visible later on. So the language key, the globe icon which just appeared right here, thanks to which we can change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. In the same situation, just tap on it and we got back to English. And here right now we can see the second difference, so the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and of course it will change accordingly to the changing of the keyboard. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and here from this step you have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Here we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning. And as you can see, here we've got the keyboard, so we do not have the language key. What's more, the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.